today we are doing a review on this 7-port USB 3.0 hub. This little baby here. It costs around about £28 and comes in two different formats. It comes in 7-port format or a 10-port format. I've gone for the 7 because I quite like the 7. I think that should be enough. I have quite a few USB devices now and there are quite a few hubs as well. This little baby here has individual on-off buttons or switches. So I thought that's quite handy. It also comes with a 12-volt mains adapter, which is unusual as far as I know. Normally they're about 5 volts. This baby comes with 12 volts. So it should pump out enough juice to power up all your devices that you plug into this. And being it's external, you can just move it about and plug it in different devices as well. So with that, we'll have a look around the box and then we'll do the unboxing. So it tells you the same bit of information, tells you the model number, RSHTECH and shows you different power connections. So hopefully it will come with a multi-plug, but I'm not worried. It should come with the right connection from me. So that's about. On the bottom it says product introduction, tells you a little bit about it, and then product features. And even shows you a little picture of all different devices you can plug into it, like your computer. Your camera, it shows a scanner, a printer, looks like a TV, keyboard, a mouse, and loads of other devices. Whatever you need to plug in, as long as it's USB, it should work fine. It doesn't have to be USB 3, it can be USB 2 or 1. It is backward compatible, so it should be fine. So with that, shall we do the unboxing? Right, so what do you get? You get a 12-month product warranty. It says, thank you for choosing, I think that says RSHTECH, I'm not sure, but that's what it sounds like to me, RSHTECH. So that's what I'm going to say. Need help, got some information, send them an email, stuff like that. Pretty good. Rate your purchase, obviously they want you to review it for them. It all helps the company to move on and sell products. So user manual, is it going to be different languages? I don't think so. Not a lot of information there. Product specification, product features, product introduction, which is what we just done anyway. Shows you independent switches. Over here, LED indicator. So it's got LED indicator on it. What's in the box? Compatible performance. I will have a read of that later. So this is the main body. Let's have a look. Let's see how nice it is. It does feel quite nice actually, even in there. Let's have a look. Let's get her out. Oh, that's nice. Got a little strip there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I like the look of that. That's nice. Feels quite nice. Feels like really nice quality. So RSHTECH. Like I said, these are individual buttons. See that? Oh, I see. So I'm guessing that'd be either on. Well, I'm guessing that'd be on, that'd be off. I could be totally wrong. We will find out. I'm going to test it, but not do a speed test because it'd be pointless. So your USB lead goes in there, your mains in there, and all your different USBs in there. Looks really nice. Got a little air vent there. And some little rubber feet on it, which would be handy, stop it sliding about. That looks really nice and feels like quality actually. Like I said, it's about £28. The other one, the 10 one, I think is about 34, 35. Should be a mains adapter in here somewhere. So USB lead, let's have a quick look at this. See how long it is. Oops. What's that? Probably about a metre, maybe a bit more. I will measure up and put it up there for you so you can see how long it is. So USB, that is very nice. Nice good length. And your mains adapter. Hopefully a nice long lead again. Looking at it, I would say yes, probably 2 metres. We'll find out in a second. Yeah, I reckon that's pretty good, close to 2 metres. Again, I will pick that up for you so you know exactly how long it is. Yeah, very good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to plug it in and give it a quick test. Right, I plugged it into the mains, but before we do a data transfer to see if it transfers data okay, it should do anyway, you have to bear something in mind here. This is not designed for charging up your devices. It should charge them up, and we are going to test it right now. So basically we're just going to plug in some devices and see if she charges up. So USB, this is USB 2 by the way, going into USB 3, and this is for my tablet. So press that and you get a little blue light come on there to say it's charging up, or it's showing that it's giving power. So blue light there. My tablet came on to say it's being charged up, so that's working fine. And I have some batteries here. These are USB charged as well, so I'm going to plug that into there. Same again, turn it on, and that should be charging up. Yeah, we've got two red lights. Let me just prove that they're charging. Turn it off and it goes off. So them buttons work really well. And then there's my phone. Plug in my phone in there, and hopefully it should come on as well. And there she goes. So yeah, so it can charge up devices, but it's not a dedicated charger. This is a USB hub. Basically, if you want to plug in things like your keyboard or your mouse or something like my Stream Deck, it should be able to run all them devices for you. Stream Deck could be a bit dodgy actually, because it needs to be on a short lead, because that's how it works best. So I probably would never plug it into there. That's better off going straight into the computer itself. But your keyboard, your mouse, a USB stick, anything like that, it should just work perfectly. So that proves that they'll work. As you can see, that charges them all up nicely. And you can plug them in any socket you like, doesn't matter. Down here if you want, as long as you remember to turn it on, of course. So it should come on, there it goes. So that works. So you know you can use it as a charger. It will be a slow charger. Like I said, it's not designed for fast charging or anything like that, but I just wanted to see if it worked. Right, what we're going to do is a speed test now. This is Windows 10 Pro on here, and it's USB 2 or USB 1, not sure. I think it's USB 2. We're going to see how fast it transfers data using this. Don't forget, it will run as fast as the slowest device. So as Windows 10 on it, like I said earlier, close that down. And I'm going to get up my devices. So ESD USB M, that's the drive. And we're going to click on properties, see how big it is. It's 3.99 gigabytes. And all we're going to do is write copy, move that out of the way, and paste into here. Right, so it's showing a speed of roughly 35 gigabytes. Oh, sorry. 35 point something megabytes per second, so not the fastest speed in the world, and it's estimated to be about 2 minutes and 40 to 50 seconds for it to copy over. Don't forget, it's just under 4 gigabytes. Right, so that's done. Just double check it, make sure it's in there. There you go. So I'm going to delete that now, because we just want to see how fast you run. Turn that off. Take that out. This one here, this is a USB 3, so it should run a lot faster. Not sure how much is on there, but we're going to find out in a second. Put it in, turn it on, let it load up. Close it down. Let's have a look, see the size. Properties, and it says it's 18.7 gigabytes, so it's more than double, so it's quite a big drive. So we're going to see how quick she copies over. Right, so that's all done. That's definitely a lot faster. I'm going to delete that now. Always just check the size first, make sure it's right. There you go, 18.5 gigabytes. And I think that was really fast. So I will delete that in a bit. Right, so what do you think then? Let me know in the comments what you think. Me personally, I think it looks really nice. I love the design. I love this little mirror effect you got on the side here. Looks really good. It was easy to install, plug and play. It does everything it's supposed to do. It's a USB 3.0 hub. It is not designed, like I said in my video, it's not designed for charging your devices, although it can do, because we tested it. So you can charge devices on there, but it's not going to do a rapid charge or anything like that. Just a basic slow charge. But like I said, not designed for that. It's designed to be a USB hub. So plugging in your keyboard, your mouse, your cameras, anything like that you want to plug in, your memory cards. This is what this is designed to do. And I like the idea you can just turn them on and off. So you could have several memory cards plugged in at the same time and just leave them turned off. And when you want to use them, just press a button, turns them on. So definitely gets my thumbs up. And hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, I think it's worth the money.